15 to explain the information about the connection and how to add the circular relationship. So that is the content for these two chapters. So information about the connection is once our relation is established, you can see some useful information. So let's build this quick the model. So these are the application components. These I suppose will be the this color. So this is customized color. So this should be the data object. So let's look at this in application part. You can see we can create a folder. So info about connections. So that is the background for this one. So I create something. So using the way we learned is how to add a new element in model tree. You can also drag and drop, but you need to move that into the folder. So claim data management is quite similar is some models we built in the Archi. So this kind of the insurance element. So we have three the components, then the three data object, then they have the access relationship. So customer file data. So we are starting to create some meaningful element damage claim data and the insurance policy. So I quickly is making those, and in let's create our chapter 6. So that is my general chapter 6, and now I create our view code is this information about connection view. And I drag all this inside. I will not put this group, so that is making too complex. So you can see when you have the element inside this, you are starting to see the this palette. So let's make that lower. So you can starting to make them like is the some layouts. And this damage is here, insurance policy is here, policy, customer data is here, and the policy data management. And we have those access. So you remember is you can press the shift, then click access, then lock this one. Now you can add 3 access. So the meaning is for that is the hover. So if you hover your cursor of mouse on the link, you can see this for some seconds, I think, access, then this disappear. So that information is quite good. Is give you the type access relation. Second line is the this access relation right, and the third line is the source and the target, and with this predicate or the verb. So that is like our knowledge graphs 3 portions triple structure. So that's why is I call this the Archi model or Archimate model is also our graph database structure. So that is the 2 tip we call this. If you learn from the other visualization tool like Power BI is if you hover something, then that says pop up. Those are the 2 tips. So you hover on the element, you hover on the relationship. They both give you some information. So that is this one. So some text. If you change some relation, so like is this is the relation, but I have already invisible the relation. So let's see. So that is this relation. So we will learn later is how to change this property. So if I go to this property is no name. So customer data access and the customer file. So so accessing customer file. So if I put this, then they will have some meanings. You can see there those customer accessing customer file is appear in the first line is replaced is by default. So if I see here, I have this one with a name and others is just the default name. Those our default name is not actually have our naming here. So that is the thing is you can add some properties, so give some meaningful things more than this default information. Second one is the circular. Circular is let's also add some components. So hope is we can have more information than we can use later. So that is let me put my chapter 6, normal part is put bank here. So you may add a circular relation. So you know how to add a relation is just from source to target. You click and select this pop-up. So, but if you want to make a circular, is first you put our relationship like is the composition. Click this one, that is means the system recognizes that as the source, but you click this same element again, so that will create our circular. So a little difference is this we have a kind of this round corner. So here not those so straight. So that is let me see is whether I can change those relation with this. No, if you change to Manhattan, this style that is not good. So this one I think is the way is you may have our circular, but normally is in the actual the modeling part. As I don't use this circular too much, but this circular relationship is used quite often if you build our meta model. Means is if you have some this type of the element or meta element is you want to show is this element may have a hierarchical structure, then that is the circular relationship is coming from. So with that is we have finished introduce this add circular. So this 14, 15. Next one is we will go to 16 is adding new relationship and elements to the view using the magic connector. So that is the interesting part. We will talk more detail. See you then. Bye for now.